Yes, good morning everyone. This is a presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy located at Bengaluru. You may contact us for offline as well as online classes across the country. Thank you. Yes, we shall come back to the session. Right, we shall start where we stopped yesterday. Right, and see the question now on the board. In a certain code language, tape is coded as 4825, short is coded as 95814, and tube is coded as 4675. What is the code for the letter E in that language? Now you can see here tape is coded as what is happening? Tape is coded as 4825. 4825. Short is coded as 95814. Tube is coded as Tube is coded as 4675. What is a letter for E? It's a question mark. So there are actually three words are there, and you have to see the same letter again. What is being asked for code for E? What is E is here 5. Even fifth letter from the beginning also. You can also say this is a fifth letter from the beginning, but short. Even here also you can see E. So definitely this is the option. So it's a very simple one. Looks quite big question, but option is now you can see T is a very 20th letter. Even if you see the reverse order also very long, but T is 4, but T is repeated here 4. T is also repeated here 4. So letter to letter you can see that is okay. Right, next one. In a certain code language, here we go west. Here we go west is written as 8649. West and east best. West and east best is written as 4 at ash PR. East direction sun. East direction sun is written as ash JT QM. Which one is the possible code for direction east? Direction east. This is a question, right? Now let us see here direction. So what do you see direction here? In the first group we don't see the word direction here, and second group also you don't see, only you see in the third group. If you see, think that is the second word. If you see the second word JT, JT, do you see the option? There is no such option, right? And now you can see East. East can be seen second and third group. Second and third group. Here is a third word, ash. East is the first word, ash. It means commonalities you have to take. You have to take the commonalities. East is here. East can be seen in the second group. But what is the East? If you see the East, the third one, like again you can see East is the first word. You can see East. This is ash, direction. Sun. Sun can be, we don't see sun anywhere here. Sun is not repeated anywhere here. Then what happens? JT or QU. Direction can be JT or QM. JT or QU. Both is possible. Here QM or JT is there. Now next you can see any option you can see. Here we go west. What we want for east? East is what? We got ash. Ash is there. So option D. For east, this is the ash. So east is a commonalities you have to take. Second group and third group. Here east is a third word. So third term, ash. Here is a first term. So ash is there. You can commonalities there.
Sir, but the question they are asking is direction east, sir.
Direction east.
Ash should be in the second place in the D option. Ash should come second.
No, this is QM or JT.
That's
Sequence.
Sequence.
Yes.
Sir, direction east ಅಲ್ವಾ sir? Direction ಗೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು QM or JT.
Yes.
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Because that option is not available.
But option is wrong, sir.
Yes, it's like that. Yes, because when that is the case, you can see like this one.
That is only the case, sir.
Which one?
Direction east.
Direction. What is the direction?
Direction
QM or JT.
So
QM or JT, the first it is not here. Yes, right. Definitely. When that is, when in the absence of like that, you see like this. Okay, that's right. But logic you have to understand. That's all. Now, in a certain code language, in a certain code language, POR is coded as 52. Okay, you can do it. No? POR is coded as 52 and UND is coded as 22. Then VXB coded in that language is what? So what is that P? P is NOP. M is the 13th letter. M is the 13th letter. NOP 14, 15, 16. 5. This O is 15th letter. R is the 18th letter. Right. What is this? 31, 39, 49. 49, 52 is there. Maybe number of letters is added here. Sum of the positions of the letters in the alphabet is 49. 52 is there. So maybe plus 3. It means the number of letters. Right. Even you can try for AND also. A is the first letter. N is the 14th letter in the alphabet. And D is the 4th letter in the alphabet. You can see, put up the total 19 plus 3, 22. Yes. Okay. Now we can see. Right. And VXB, T is the 20th letter, UV 22 plus X. What is the position of X in the alphabet? T, UVWX 24 plus B is the tool. It means 22 plus 24, 20 plus 20, 42, 44, 48. 48 plus 3, so 51 is the appropriate. (51) is the appropriate option. Right. Option is 51. Okay. Yes, next one. D2 is related to S6. D2 is related to H6. We can write like this. In a certain way, L11 is related to L11 is related to P15. To which of the following is T18? T18 related to question mark. Right. Now, see, here 2 is there, 6 is there. Maybe plus 4. Assuming that plus 4. D is the 4th letter, H is the 8th letter. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. I think that is very clear. D is the 4th letter, H is the 8th letter. 4 plus 4, 8. Here 2 plus 4, 6. Plus. And 11 plus 4, 15. L is the 12th letter, P is the 16th letter, 12 plus 4, 16, right. Now 18 plus 4 is 22, okay, 1. And T is the 20th letter, 24th, U, V, W, X you can take. X, 22. This is the option. Okay.
First letters
Anything you can say.
4, 8.
Choice is your choice. Numbers means is very close by, I see the numbers immediately. That's all.
Sir, it should be D, 2, sir.
Right. First, because numbers are very close by, I see the numbers immediately. That's all. Only thing, whichever is easy, we can do it, that is. If white is called blue, blue is called red, red is called yellow, yellow is called green, green is called black, black is called violet, and violet is called orange, then what would be the color of human blood? The color of human blood is what?
Red.
Red. What is red is called? What is, see, even if you write, it takes more time. But it is not necessary. White is called blue. Blue is called red. Blue is called, you have to write like that. But it's not necessary, I am telling you. Blue is called red. Red is called yellow. Red is called yellow. Yellow is called green. Yellow is called green. Green is called black. Green is called black. Black. Black is called violet. Black is called violet. Violet is called orange. Black is called violet. Violet is called orange. So human blood, what is the color of human blood is red. So red is called yellow. So yellow is the answer. And option A. But so much work is not required here. Straight away you can say white is called blue, something is called something. Then what is the color of human blood is red. Red is called. You have to see where red is called. That is the option. In a certain code language, 3 to 1 means cold filtered coffee. 3 to 1 means cold filtered coffee. 653 means very cold day. very cold day. 985 means day and night. Day and night. What is the code for very? What is the code for very? Now, you have to see that is here. Very, where do you see the word very here? Second group we can see. Second group. Second group we can see, you can take the first word 6, okay. And very, you don't see anywhere here. Other words you have to see. Cold. Cold you can see, first group can be seen. In the second group can be seen. Cold. Cold is the first word here 3. And in the second word 3, 5 is there. It means not. You have to see the commonalities. Cold. Here you can see. Here you can see what is the commonalities between these things. 3 is the commonalities. So cold means 3. Right. Day. Day can be seen in the second group and third group. What is the common thing? So day can be written as 5. Not 3, not 5. Not 3, not 5. You can take 6. This is the 6 is the answer. Option D. Option D here. In a certain code language, hurt black blue is written as hurt black blue is written as 8 ash AB. Gray or blue? Gray or is written as ash PRKT. Gray or is written as PRKT. How will blue be written? How will blue be written in that code? Right. So now blue, I think last word both AB, no, it is not same. Then you have to see the commonalities. What are the commonalities you can see? Like hurt cannot be seen here. Black also cannot be seen here. Gray cannot be seen in the first group or cannot be seen. It means what is the common word blue is, what is the commonalities among these two groups? 8 cannot be seen here. Ash can be seen here. Ash. So this is what? Ash. Option C. Option C.
So now option C.
Option C, because you have to see that is because blue, which here last word AB, here last word KT, it is not that. Then you have to see the commonalities. Blue is here, here is blue. Let us see the first group, heart. Heart only is in the first group, not in the second group. And see black in the first group, not in the second group. Then what is the blue? Only the word which can be seen common in the first group and second group. What is the element is a common among these two? Only ash is a common. So blue means ash.
So if there are two words that are common in both the sentences, then
cannot be determined. Either this or that, or cannot be determined. There may be a possibility in the option either this or that. In the previous question we checked that's a bar, oblique, or cannot be determined. Yes. Now we can see in a certain code language, LA or VE, LA or VAE is coded as 15, 1, 9, 5, 1, 2. I think it's a very simple one, it's understood well. L is the 12th letter, but it is 15 is written here. We do not know, maybe plus 3. A is the first letter, very clear information, first position in the forward order. Again A is written forward order. Again this is written forward order. And now we can see maybe L. If you see the reverse order, what is the position of reverse order? L is the 15th. L is a 15th reverse order. R is the reverse order. V is a reverse order. That's all. It means vowels are in the forward order, consonants are in the reverse order. The position of the vowels are in the forward order. The position of the letter in the alphabet in the reverse order. That is the thing. Then now insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. First let us see the vowels. This is the ninth, E is the fifth letter, that's it. N.
A-E-I-O-U.
Vowels, see vowels, A-E-I-O-U. A is the first vowel, E is the second vowel. Huh?
E go to
Yes.
Then this one I.
That is the thing. Yes. No, position of the letter.
Sir.
Position of the letter.
No, sir. I should be 3 only.
I should be 3, E should be 2. If the.
No, what is the here is written here? 15195112. 512. 2. This is it.
I 3. I 3.
Because this I, that is 2 is written. Insect, I-N-S-E-C-T. See,
Sir.
the last E is written as 2, A is 1. Okay, right, that's right, you are right. 2,
3.
This can be 3.
Yes, sir.
N can be reverse order,
13.
13th.
8.
And this is 8,
24.
24, and this is 7th. This is the, see, this is the option 3, 13, 8, 2. 3, 13, 8, 2, 24, 7. Option C. Next. In a code language, routine is written as R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine is written as 18, 15, 21, 20, 91, 45. I think very big number this is. Very big number. Okay. Let's see that, but last letter is E. This is 5. Okay. Last letter is E. The last digit is 5. Even R is the 18th letter, 18 you can take. Right. And O is the 15th letter, U is the 21st letter, T is the 20th letter, I is the 9th letter, N is the 14th letter. Right, now we can solve for vehicle. V-E-H-I-C-L-E, vehicle. T-U, this is what, 22, this is 5, H-8, I-9, C-3, L-12, E-5. So 22, 5, 8. 22, 5, 8. Last letter is 5 for everything. 22, 5, 89. 22, 5, 89. 3, 12. No. 28 to 5, 3, 12. Option B, na? Right. Very confusing seeing the options. Now, in a code language, astronomy is written as something like that. A-S-T-R-O-N-O, astronomy, S-A-R-T, S-A-R-T, P-O-N, P-O-N-Y-M. See that. A-S-S-A, like that. Reverse order. First 2 letters. RT, you can see the RT. This you can keep it as it like, and like what? 2 letters is taken. Middle letter retained as same. Okay. Fenugreek. How do you write for fenugreek? F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K. Right. Now we can take E-F-U-N. This is E or this is K-E. E-F-U-N-G. E-F-U-N-G. E-F-U-N. E-F-U-N. E, what is this?
Sir, next letter ಬರಬೇಕು sir. O
Sir, ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು sir. ಕೇಳಿ. Sir, I got it sir.
Here, K, no, where I went wrong then?
I will tell sir. Sir,
H.
sir,
Yes.
the total number of letters are 9 sir. The middle letter.
Retained as same.
Next
No,
letter.
no, next letter you should take.
OP.
O and
P.
This is OP. This is OP plus 1. So it means this is
H.
H. EF UN H. EF UN H.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
EF UN EF UN H ERKE option D. This is it. Okay, right, fantastic. Okay, so you are correcting me. So wherever I am going wrong, you are correcting me. Wonderful. Yes, next. If AU equals 21, if AU equals 21, EGG equals 245, how will you code for bake? Right. Now first the position of the letter you must see. You must see the position of the letter. What is the position of letter A? 1 and U is the 21. 21 plus 1, 22 that must be. We do not know. Let us see that. For another word, E is the 5th letter, G is the 7th letter. This is also 7. 7, 7, 14, 19. No, it will not get. Very big number. We can see the product of the positions of the letter in the alphabet. Product, or it means 1 into 21. And here 5 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7, 49, 49 into 5, 245. That's right. Because quite big, very big number this is. So definitely not in the additions, product. The positions of the letters in the alphabet should be multiplied. It means 2 into 1 into 11 into 5 is the what? 2 into 10, 210. Check that calculation. 55 into 110, sorry. 110. Option C. Option C that is. Now you can see needle is written as needle
-1 plus 1, -1 plus 1.
needle is written as MFD, MFD, EKF. EKF. How will you hammer be written in that code? Hammer written in the code. MN -1. If you start reading from bottom upward, -1. EF plus 1. DE -1. DE plus 1. KL -1 plus 1. I think -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1. You can take GH, AB, like IJKL, M, MN, DE, QR. Or S, sorry. So GBL, NDS. GBL, NDS. Option D. Yeah, try and solve. Now you can see FO or EIGN, foreign, ULI, V or TM. Then how do you write word for SAP? Right. F is the sixth letter from the beginning, U is the sixth letter from the last. It just is a reverse order you can take. This is the plus 6. Right. And O is the 15th from the beginning, L is the, what is the reverse order you can take? 13 per L, same thing. And R is 18th letter, T. I think forward order and backward order, straight away. Now you can write for SAP. You can write for SAP. What is the S from the forward order?
H.
19th letter, no? 19th letter, it's the 19th letter. What is reverse order in the 19th letter? H. So H. So this can, S can be written as H. Right. A is the first letter. Z you can take. For A, you can take as Z. HZ. HZ, there is only one group is there. So this is the appropriate option. Now see that H, W, K, D, Q or O. Ethanol, ETH, NOL, ethanol. So E, FGH plus 3. After E, FGH. H is the third letter after E. Now T, after T, UVW plus 3. I think this must be the sequence. I do not know. Let's see that. H to K. After H is what? IJK plus 3. Yes, plus 3 plus 3. After A, BCD plus 3. And after N, OPQ plus 3. After O, PQR plus 3. Okay, all plus 3 only now. Now what is the code we need for, then how will mix be coded? Mix be coded. So mix can be written as NOP is right. I can be written as JKL. And X can be written as YZS. Yeah. So PLA option right. Now, in a certain code language, 1578 25, 36 is written as 28, 154, 48, 70. Now, what is a code for? We need to know 23, 63, 23, 63, 42, 81. Okay. Now let us see, 15 is written as 28. See, 15 is coded as 28. It means the almost to double. It's not exactly double, almost to double. 15 into 2, 30, say minus 2. Into 2, minus 2. Let us say 78 will escape. 78 into 2, 156 minus 2. 25 into 2, 50 minus 2. 36 into 2, 72 minus 2. Into 2 minus 2, into 2 minus 2. Like number sequence. See, number sequence is applied here. See that is a beauty of the fellows. Number sequence, number series is applied in the coding decoding. It means into 2 plus 2 is the pattern. What is into 2? 46 minus 2? 44. Now 63 into 2, 126. So minus 2, 124. 42 into 2, 84 minus 2, 82. 81 into 2, 162 minus 2, 160. It means 44, 124, 82, 160. Option A. Option A. Now I have chosen number of concepts. Be quick. Be quick is coded as ZC, OS, GAL. Then code for the last letter of the third word in the center. Let's see after that. I love my country. I love my country. I love my country. What is then the last letter of the third word? What is the third word? This is the first word. This is the second word. Third word. Fourth word. What is the last third word? Y. So y equals to what? Y equals to what? Now you can see. I think it's a B and Z is very far. If you look at forward order, B and Z is very far. See, now we can see the reverse order. After Z is what? A, B minus 2. D, E minus 2. P, Q minus 2. T, U minus 2. H, I minus 2. B, C minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Right. What is the second minus 2 for Y? Minus 1, minus 2. X, Y, W, X is the answer. W is the answer. Option D. Option D. Did you not get it? Oh, yes. Because B and Z is very far. You can see the reverse order. Now, now, telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone is written as E-N-O-H-E-N-E. P E L E T, telephone. Now you have to see here, look at the board here. Look at the board. And see, TE is very far. So much distance is not possible. EN again is a positive. Okay. And now we can see the reverse way you can take. Or you can take like this also you can take. Two letters. TE. E is common. But TN is very far. It's not that way. And see now reverse way you can. T. E. L. Exactly. It is in the reverse order. Right. How is ALIGATOR, alligator? So you can, this is the forward order, means what is the reverse order? ROTAGILA. Right. Option A. Now, SAT, cat is written as SATC, Deer is written as SEA or D. How sing can be written now see this 80 it is common, EA or is a very common, but C is moved to this place, C is moved to this place, D is moved to the last, S simply is added, it means SINGS, right, that's all, sings, right. Sings is the option C. Option C. Parent is written as BDF. BDF GJK. Now we can try and solve that. Is okay. How we can solve? Parent PA or E and the parent is written as BDF GJK. PB it's a very far. AD okay. RF still it is a for. EG then how do you do then? How do you try to solve this? EF. FG, C, B, C, D, PB. No, you are not getting the what is a cracking method. Parent is written BDFGJK, BDFGJ. That's right. If you see it reverse, you can say if it was start from K to P, what will happen? After K, L, M, N, O, P, fifth letter you can say. See, J, no. It's very far, that is. BT is very far. How it is then? It's not even a reverse side also. JT, you can. F means D, E, F. Okay, all right. I think we are not getting like that. Now, look at, because the position of the letters is not matching. You see here, what are the letters here? CHIL, but C cannot be seen in the letter. That also is there.
So, children it is coded as M.
Oh, correct. Children is written as M, O, X, Q, U, F, G, J, right. So reprint. Now there are two words are there. Position of the letters is not matching. So what is the letters are? Like REPRINT. R is there. E is there. Okay, that is letter to letter. Because more than one word you can say letter to letter. What is the R coded as here? F. And F, these options are available. E is coded as G. Even E also here also G is a common. Right. Next P, B. FGB, yes, in all three. This is ruled out. Option D is completely ruled out. Or can say F, I, what is that? I, X, N, J, and T can be K. See, this is the thing. FGB, F, XJK, option A. Option A, see that. So if you don't look at the question properly, no one can solve. Now, request is written as REQUEST. Request is written as S to or S to TU. Then how will you code as it? Code as it. Now, let us crack first. RS, this is the plus one. Keep this like two numbers. This can be checked later on. QR plus one, and this is. So this is the no.
Sir, vowels na numbers bardare sir. Consonants they are taking plus
yes.
one.
This is 5, not yes. Now you can see this is the vowels.
Vowels are written
2 is written
numbers.
as, U is the fifth vowel, E is the second vowel sequence, right? Or is now ST plus 1, TU plus. Consonants are moved to the next letter. So first let's complete the vowels. A is the first vowel, I is the third vowel, C, D, D, E, I, D, 3E, option D. Next, A is 26, A is 26, sun is 27, cat equals to what? A is 26 means reverse order. When E is positioned as a 26th, that is in the backward order. Now sun equals to 27. What is the sun equal? What is the reverse order for sun? S plus U plus N is 27. Let us see the sun. Eighth letter, no? Reverse order.
Yes, sir.
U, what is 6? And N, 13th letter. 13 is 19 is a 27. That's right. Cat. C plus A plus T equals to what? C is the 26, 25, 24th letter, reverse order. And A is the 26th letter. T is the 7th letter. 50, 57. Option 57, option C is the appropriate one. Next, go equals 32. Go equals to 32. She equals 49. Sum equals to question mark. Now go, if you see the forward order for go, G is the 7th letter and O is the 15th letter, 22 will come. It's not correct. Reverse order you check that, because go is 32. If you go by forward order, the sum of the positions of the letters in that word is equal to 22. Hence, let us go reverse order. What is the position of G in the reverse order? G is the position of reverse order. O is the NO, 13, 12. G is what? E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is the 7th letter. Twentieth letter. Now we can see 32. Yes, it is in the reverse order. So it is in the reverse order. Sum what? S plus O plus M plus E. Right. What is the position of S? 8 plus 12 plus 14 plus 26, 25, 24, 23, 22 you can take. 20, 30, 50, 54, 56. You check the total. I may be wrong. You check, go by correctly. Is that right? 56, option A. Next. E equals to 5. Definitely position of the letter is taken here. Hotel equals to 12. Right. E equals to 5. Hotel equals to 12. When E is 5 means position of the letter is taken here. And hotel equals to 12. If you look at the position of the letter, this sum of the positions of this, there were some 60, 70, 80 should come, but 12 is there. Maybe something has been subtracted from the position of the letter, or some of the positions of the letters, or might have done some division, might have taken place. We do not know. Let us see the first. What is the position of H here? 8. What is the position of O in the forward order? Because E is 5 is written. That is a clue here. O is what? 15. T is what? 20. Again E is what? 5. L is 12. Right. What is the sum of for the positions of the letter in the word? 23, 43, 48, 60. 60, but it is given 12. What? Divided by 5. What is this 5? Number of letters in the word. Number of letters in the word. Now, you have to find the code for lamb. L plus A plus M plus B. It means divided by 4. Number of letters. What is our answer? Seven, right. What is 7? Option A. Right. Next, mustard is coded as mustard is coded as 411259. Like powder can be coded how? POWDER. Right. Okay. See, this is a first letter A1. Again, E is the fifth letter in the position in the forward order. You see, that is a clue. But M is the 13th letter. But 4 is written. See, they might have done the sum of the digits of the position of the letter. M is the 13th letter. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. S is the 19th letter. 1 plus 9 is 10. Again, 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. T is the 20th letter. 2 plus 0 is 2. And R is the 18th letter. 1 plus 8 is 9. That is a thing. And PO, that is P is what? N 16. So 1 plus 6, 16th letter. 1 plus 6 is what? 7. Again. O is the N O 15th letter. No? No, this is O.
Oval.
Oval alla. Position of the.
AE 15 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Correct. A is the first letter.
That is only single digital word.
E is the fifth letter. So O is the 15th letter. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. And W is the XYZ. 26, 25, 23. 23rd letter. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. D is the 4th letter. E is the 5th. R is the 18th letter. So 9 you can take. 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 9. 7, 6, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 9. Option C. Now, in a certain code language, hairs are golden black is coded as, I think you try to do now, we did solve, so good number of questions related to this. Now, in a certain code language, hairs are golden black. Golden black is coded as at RM P or KT. Golden bells are sound. Golden bells or sound. Golden bells are sound. Coded as KK at KT ash. Right. And bells being loud is coded as bells being loud. It's coded as ash JM JX. What can be the code for bell sound? Bell and sound. Right. See now. Now bell sound. Where do you see the bell? In the third group can be seen. Second group can be seen. Okay. Like bell second group in the second term is what? At. Here first ash. It is not that. But you have to see the commonalities. See, you can see the bells being is not repeated here. Loud is not repeated here. If you see the bells, commonalities. Okay. Being is not repeated here. Loud is not repeated here. It's a very, this is not repeated, this is not, only one term is repeated. What is that repeated here? You can see the ash. JM is not repeated, JK is not repeated. So bell means what? You can take ash.
So sound is ash.
Huh? Sound. Sound you can see, where do you see the sound? A sound can be, now we can say sound. Only this is, you can see sound. Exclusive word. Sound is not repeated either way. Which is that term is not repeated. KK, no. At repeated. KT is repeated. You can take KK. You can take KK. Okay? Right. Ash KK. Ash KK. You can take AK is, that is the, maybe that is AK we don't see anywhere here. Maybe that must be the AK. I know some part error is there, that is. But you can take B. This is supposed to be like KK, this is. Even I corrected it, I don't know, I have not checked that. Okay, yes, this is the thing. Option.
It is repeating then.
See, what, because bells, see the bell is here. What is the commonality? Bell, because this is the second word. Second is at is there. Here first it is not same. Then you have to see the commonalities. What is the commonality between second group and third group? Ash is common. Okay. And being is not repeated here. And loud is not repeated here. Same way, ash is repeated. JM is not repeated here. JK is also not repeated here. That's. Next you can take, because for bell code is ash. That's clear. And for sound, sound can be seen only in the second group. But sound is not repeated anywhere. Which is the element not repeated here? KK is not repeated here. At repeated. KT is repeated. We don't want. K, already ash is taken. You can take KK. So KK, that is a K. But this is supposed to be KK, option B. Okay, you can go like that. Question paper will be very right. But even I did under insufficient light. I typed all this question under insufficient light. Because very small fonts is like that. That definitely it is my error in typing. And because that time only I started typing, learned typing now. Because I am computer illiterate. So like that. Yes, I think all the questions are over. Fine. How many are there?
Yeah, 20 more.
Yeah?
20 more.
They did not do, they would have finished it actually.
Yes, sir. I will finish off.
Did you not inform him like that? Anyway, so fine. Have a nice day, have a nice evening. We shall assemble back in the next class, that is tomorrow. Till then, have a good time. Fine. Thank you all.